This is part 3 on getting a job in the cryptocurrency space and building that on-chain resume. All right, today we're going to be talking about setting up a crypto DeFi decentralized domain name using Ethereum Naming Service or Unstoppable Domains. All right, domain names in the DeFi space in a decentralized manner. Let's get right into it. So what is a crypto blockchain domain name and why are they so important? Well, I'm glad you asked. Basically, a crypto domain or blockchain domain has .crypto or .eth at the end of it. And these are very similar to regular website domains like www.google.com. What happens in a crypto domain, this domain name can be used for a website or for something like a identifier for a crypto address. So instead of having to type in that 16 character long 0x crypto address, you can substitute that for something like Wi-Fi $.eth or .crypto, for example. It makes sending crypto to a website or an address way simpler. All right, this crypto domain will act as the name for when somebody wants to send you crypto. So if, let's say your friend says, hey, can I send you crypto? What's your crypto address? You could just say, hey, it's Wi-Fi $.eth. That's very simpler, and that's more simpler than giving them the 6-digit character of different letters and scrambled up words that a normal crypto wallet address would look like. All right, so that's why it's so important, and that's why today here we're going to be talking about how to set up a crypto domain on crypto domaining services like ENS, Ethereum Naming Services, or Unstoppable Domains. Ethereum Naming Services is the biggest crypto domain service right now. So I'm going to show you how to use that one first. All right. So the website is apps.ens.domains. All right. I'm going to leave the website in the video description so you all can have it there for easy access. But here it says search names or addresses. Well, we don't want to do that right now. We actually want to get our own address. All right, so you're gonna click connect your wallet on the left hand side. So I did that pretty fast. On the left hand side, you're gonna click connect your wallet and connect the MetaMask wallet. If you watch this channel, you know me, you know that we only use MetaMask around here because that's DeFi. We don't use any of these other miscalculated wallets. All right, so we're gonna click my account. All right, so here we're gonna simply search a ENS name that we wish to set up. So let's use something like Wi-Fi $, but I'm gonna use the reverse of Wi-Fi $, because that's what my channel is. I'm gonna use $, Wi-Fi. All right. So let's see if $, Wi-Fi is still available. So you would enter it on the top of the screen, and then you're gonna go to the right hand corner and you're gonna click search here. All right, and it says Wi-Fi $, is available, or sorry, $Wi-Fi.eth is still available. All right, so let's say I wanted that name. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and favorite it, so I have it in my favorite section on this left hand side, and I'm gonna click it so we can secure that ENS name. So I went ahead and changed the domain name, ENS domain name, to Wi-Fi $.eth because I just thought it made the most sense, seeing that my page is Wi-Fi $. All right. So we're gonna click here, request to register on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need your hardware wallet for this, but we're gonna go ahead and sign this transaction on MetaMask and on our hardware wallet. We're gonna purchase that ENS name, ENS crypto domain name. So let's go ahead and sign this transaction now. So as you can see on the bar now, it's just loading, it's waiting for these transactions to be accepted on the Ethereum blockchain, so we can now be able to have access to our ENS domain name that we paid for. All right, so now we are in the second stage here, and as you can see, it said to wait 1 minute for the transactions to process. Now we're on to the next stage, almost at step 3 of completing this registration. So now what we're gonna need to do is gonna go ahead over here and click register. We're gonna need to sign this transaction, basically so we can be able to accept and confirm this buying of this domain here. All right, so now we're basically done. All we have to do now is click set up as primary ENS name right here. We're gonna click that and we're done. The deal has been done. This is now our ENS domain, paid for in full. It expires on the 23rd of March, all right, 2023. All right. So as y'all saw, the process of setting up a Ethereum naming service domain, crypto domain name is actually pretty simple. Now, if you wanted to buy another crypto domain name and you wanted to check and see if that domain is still available, all you would have to do is just enter it back in the searches, names, or addresses tab here or search bar here, just like how we set up our Wi-Fi dollar domain. So what you would do is, let's use a popular crypto influencer on TikTok named Blockchain Boy. Let's see if blockchainboy.eth is actually still available. I doubt it is, but let's go here and see. And here you see that it's not available. You see it says unavailable. It does gives the time that it expires. So Blockchain Boy is probably going to renew, or whoever owns blockchainboy.eth will probably renew that crypto domain name. But you can come here and see all the information about it. That's the great thing about the Ethereum blockchain, about the blockchain in general. Everything is very transparent. Now, the other crypto domain name that I wanted to talk about is Unstoppable Domains. Now, I'm just going to share with y'all Unstoppable Domains. It's another crypto domain service. It actually says here NFT domains, which is basically the same thing. But the process will be the same thing. Let's say I wanted to set up Wi-Fi dollar. I would enter it here in the search bar. All right, and now it would show me if Wi-Fi dollar is available and how much I would have to pay for that. It costs a little bit more than what I just paid for in Ethereum naming services, but so that's kind of how you would do it. You could go on these two different crypto domain services, and for the domain name that you want to get, you can choose to use one that is a lot cheaper. It's all about maximizing money and making money, not losing money on this channel. So if you like this content, if you want to continue my journey, continue your journey of upskilling and gaining skills in the DeFi, decentralized finance space, to be able to land that on-chain, build that on-chain resume and land that cryptocurrency job, then please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we're going to continue with this series of building that resume. All right, if you want to buy Ethereum, if you want to buy any other cryptocurrency to be able to purchase these crypto domains, make sure to use get.io. If you don't already have an account, go look in the description of this video and you'll be able to use my referral code to be able to make that get.io account. All right, that's all I have for y'all today. Peace out.